Hey guys, I'm Patricia D. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be creating a gorgeous, simple holiday look. So this look will literally involve 3 eyeshadows. If you guys are old here, you guys know I am a big fan of simple makeup. Simplicity is best for me. And I'm going to go ahead and start my eyebrows. All products used in this video will be down in the description box. So for the past couple weeks, I've been gravitating towards the LA Colors Eyebrow Pomade. This pomade is life. Guys, it's super affordable. I think it ran me about maybe $3. Guys, go ahead and grab you a couple. It's amazing. Thank me later. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm going to set it using translucent powder. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using one of my favorite palettes. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's an oldie but a goodie. You can find it at literally every Ulta. I'm going to be using this beautiful dark brown and I'm going to fade that into my crease. Using that same brown color, I'm going to intense it towards the end of my eye. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease to add my shimmer. Now for a nice blended eyeshadow, I'm going to add that same brown color and like blend the two shimmer and the matte together so that it can look cohesive. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my wing. For the wing, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is one of my favorites. I've been using it for ages. You guys, it's so amazing. I'm going to go ahead and speed through my foundation process because I do have an in-depth foundation routine. I'll be putting that in the description box, so I'm going to go ahead and speed through this process. So I did went ahead and applied this beautiful turquoise color from the Jaclyn Hill palette underneath my eyes. I thought I was recording, but I got a little distracted by my honey, as you can see him walking around in the background. So yeah, so what I did was I went ahead and put this beautiful turquoise color underneath my eyes, and I'm now applying mascara. Because I am not wearing lashes these days, I kind of took a break on lashes. I apply loads of mascara on my eyes. So you guys know I always have to finish off with my MAC finishing spray. I love this spray. It's one of my favorites. And yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.